Hi, yes guys. Okay, last time I talked about an order by, and today I want to look at how does the grouping work. How do you do grouping of items? And I think the first thing we're going to do is we're going to group it by, let's say I've got red, 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 green, green. Let's group it by color, all these vehicles, and put it in this result. So let's just first clear this up. We select everything from the vehicles in result, and we group it the result by the result of color. Okay, so what happened here is now is this result dot color will basically become the key. So to see everything in this grouping, we have to go through each key basically. So let's put in another for each. Let's make it each group in result, and we're going to nest these two. Just format this quickly. Item in group. Look at the group. Sorry, in the query. So everything is stored in this query. Come on. And then we're going to go through each one. So we can also just write a line here. Right line. Group.key. And that should write our key for us. So if I quickly run this, you'll see the result immediately. That's our key, it's red, and there's Volkswagen Audi and a Cooper. If we look at red, we've got a Volkswagen red Audi and a red Mini Cooper. Then I got white, I've got a Volkswagen Polo, I've got blue a Golf, green a Audi and a Camry. Green I've got a 2, and silver I've got the Ford. So that's the grouping. But we can even carry on further with it. We can select this, into groups, groups collection, and we can still query on it. We can select, say for instance we only want to have all the red and blue vehicles. We can select where groups, I cannot account, color, sorry, groups.key equals hyphen red, or we can filter for groups, key equals green or blue, depends on our what we want to select, and then we select the groups. Into groups. Assigning it, but comparing it. Select groups into result for color, so it will create my groups in this query. Then I'll select it into groups, objects where the group's key equals red or green. And I select that and I can iterate through it again. So if I run this, you'll see we expanded our query further. to get a green, red and a green out of results, and have it grouped by the two colors. So that's basically the basics of grouping by. Is where it will create a key, and you can play around with this even much more, and I'll elaborate a little bit more on it next time. But this is the basics how to use a group. It creates a key, and you can use that key to filter on your data. Okay, thanks for watching.